Hey everyone! Welcome back to Easy Web Tips. In today's video, I'll show you how to safely share files on Google Drive, ensuring your files reach only the people you want to share them with. So, whether you're collaborating on a project or sharing photos with friends, I've got you covered. First things first, let's get started by opening Google Drive. Head over to drive.google.com and log in if you haven't already. Now, find the file or folder you want to share. Once you've found it, right-click on the file and select Share from the menu. This will bring up the sharing settings. One of the most important parts of sharing is setting the right permissions. You have three main options: Viewer, Commenter, and Editor. Choose Viewer if you only want people to see the file. Use Commenter if you want them to add comments but not make changes. And choose Editor only if you trust them to make changes. Next, you can add the emails of the people you want to share with. Just type their email addresses here. Here's a safety tip. Always double-check the email addresses to ensure you're sending the file to the right person. If you accidentally send it to the wrong person, they'll have access to your file. Another way to share is by generating a link. But remember, anyone with a link can potentially access the file, so use this option carefully. By default, the link is restricted to people you specify. But if you want it to be more accessible, click Change to anyone with a link. Be sure to select the right permission level. Usually, Viewer is safest. To stay safe, here are a few extra tips. Only share with people you know and trust. Check back on your shared files from time to time. You can do this by going to the Shared with Me section in Google Drive. Now you know how to share files on Google Drive safely. With these tips, you can control who sees your files and ensure your data stays private. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Easy Web Tips for more tutorials like this. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions about Google Drive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.